Hi there, it's Veronica. I'm here today to talk about the 8-in-1 cleansing brush. And I've had this product for a little bit, but I just wanted to take the time today to tell you the things that I like about it. And so first of all, it's 8-in-1. And so it has all of these different brush heads. And what I like is even on the outside of the box, it tells you what each brush head is for. And I will tell you, this wide flat brush is for floors, tiles, and glass. This small flat brush is for cooktop, stove, oven, and the corner brush is just for what it says, the corners. I find this works really well getting in the corners of the shower and into crevices by my faucet, things like that. This is the round brush, great for baseboards, but I also use it in the tub on the rounded parts of it where sometimes dirt gets ground in. This brush is really good for that. Then you have the wool cloth. You can use this like for your car dashboard, and it fits onto the little Velcro piece here. So you would use the sponge just for light duty cleaning. You can use it on the sink or the tub, just light surfaces, not heavy duty cleaning. You have this scouring pad that is for, just what it says, scouring, like for barbecue grills or maybe in your oven, just depending on the surface, type of surface that you have in your oven. Maybe like the inside of the oven door where, things splatter and you need something to really get it out. But just be careful because you don't want to scratch up. If it's that glass, you don't want to scratch that up. So just be very careful of that. Then you finally have this cloth head, also attaches to the Velcro. Let me show you how it does that. Just very easily attaches and like that. And you can use this on windows with some window cleaner. Okay, so that just comes off like that, and then you take that out. But here within the product instructions, it tells you, everything that you need to know about charging it, how to replace the brush heads. I mean, it's pretty thorough, even about the extension rod. So let me show you that. This extension rod, or extension handle, it fits together like this. Okay? And then it also telescopes. So if you push it up, look at that. So I'm going to attach it so you can see. Take this piece off the bottom. And then you just push it in like that. Okay? Alrighty. So you can reach high up into your shower. Your shower the walls may go all the way up, and this will allow you to get all the way up into those cracks and crevices. And it's very, very useful. I do like that you don't have to use this part. You can just use it as a handheld cleaner, and it just breaks down. But before I break it down, let me show you. It comes with this part, which is adhesive on the back that you can stick on a wall, and this would fit in here, like this. Or you could take it and hang it from this hook. I haven't put it up as you see, but I have plans to do so. But it just unscrews, and you can put it back into the box if you like. It comes with this mesh bag here, which is drawstring, and you can put your brush heads in that. It also comes with charging cable, and this is a C charging cable. So when you have this bottom piece off, this is where you would charge it, in here. And of course you would need to put it into a block that doesn't come with this. So a USB block here for the other end. Okay. So when I received mine, it came fully charged. And as I said, it's voice broadcast. So what that means is it talks to you. So listen.
Power ready, please press M to start.
It said, power ready, please press M to start. So you press the letter M.
Low speed.
Low speed.
Medium speed.
Medium speed.
High speed.
High speed. You can see it moving. And then you press M again and it stops. But to turn it off completely, you would hold in the power button there. And it turns off. Okay? But again, the YKYI, that's the brand here. And I like that it has the voice broadcast. There's a new upgraded motor in it, and the charge lasts a really long time. So I'm going to give you a test run or show you in how it's working on my bathroom sink. So let's go on a field trip. All right, so now you're going to see how this electric spin brush scrubber cleans. The sink isn't too dirty, but it can stand to be cleaned a bit. So I'm just wetting it a little bit. Spray some cleanser on.
Power ready. Please press M to start. Low speed.
Yeah, see how it gets the curved spaces really well? I'm going to use the flathead brush. Oh, sorry, the cone brush. The corner brush. I'm calling it everything except for what it's supposed to be called. Okay. So now, put that one off. And put this one on. Okay.
Power ready. Please press M to start. Low speed.
So yeah, this is just with low speed. Yep, so all that crud that gets around your faucet, this helps to get rid of it. Okay, let's turn it up a little bit. Crank it up. Oops.
Power ready. Please low speed. Medium speed.
Medium speed. All right, let's see what's going to happen here. I'm going to get around this. So then after I finish, I'll rinse. And I'm not completely done because I need to rinse the brushes out and make sure that I get the residue off of here. And I just rinse these and let them air dry. And usually they dry overnight. I'm going to get a piece of paper towel as well. Ooh. I'm going to get a piece of paper towel. And I'm sure I could use the blue polishing head that you can use on windows. But I don't have it in here with me. So I'm just going to wipe this. But like that sponge head, I could use this to clean this counter, bathroom counter. But it does a really good job. This was just a light cleaning and just a brief demonstration. But yeah, look at it. It's got all of that residue that was around this part of the drain. Yeah. Now there's nothing I can do about this. This is like some rust here. So that has to be treated with something else, but just letting you know that's not dirt. Okay. But again, I can't say enough nice things about this, but just be careful. These holes here, that's where the sound comes out, the voice broadcast. Don't get this wet. Don't submerge this in water at all, or it won't work anymore. You can, of course, get the heads wet to a degree. I mean, you can get them totally wet, but once you put it, let me show you what I mean. I would not, go past here with water, Don't submerge this past here because you're going to have a product that no longer works for you. So just pay attention to the instructions and you'll be fine. Happy cleaning.